Hello everyone, welcome to ABC tutorial. This is Reza and welcome in point of sale inventory management system playlist. So in this playlist actually I'm doing from scratch to develop a point of sale and inventory management system. So if you want to learn how to develop a project from scratch using ASP.NET MVC, you can see my video. So in first video I committed you guys that in this video I will include AngularJS. So that's why I already included AngularJS. So before starting this video you can go in abctutorial.com for any kind of article what I'm making on video. So you can go or you can post any kind of your asking in community page where it is abctutorial.com/community. So now I'm moving to the tutorial. So here in first video I already commented you that I will use Jquery and AngularJS in this project. So I already added AngularJS here, configure AngularJS. So how I configured AngularJS here, you can see this video in any one of my videos. So you can go ABC tutorial first. So I'm just showing you how you can find this AngularJS configuration video. So go to ABC tutorial, search here AngularJS. See here there is a video called how to set up AngularJS into ASP.NET MVC project. So any project, not only ASP.NET MVC. So this is actually this video how I configured the AngularJS inside a project. So you can follow this video, then you will understand how I configured this AngularJS. So now I already previously configured this AngularJS in my project. So in that case I'm moving to project. So here I added the folder where app.js home product. So before starting this video you should watch my AngularJS configuration video what I show you now. So here app.js already I shown it how we configured it. Here is home product stock. So this is the a controller view. So now my target is today's video to I will make a product stock, right? So product stock will come. I will just input the product stock in database. Okay, so now first work of mine it is I have to create a view. So just like the batch I will create a view called product stock. Add this view. So my view already has been created. So after view create, so I will create also a save product batch, right? So all things will be same as like our batch videos. For every CRUD video I already shown you in category batch create how we are creating the CRUD video. I mean create, delete, update and retrieve. So here will product stock, right? We will name it stock. stock ID, sorry, in product stock, what will be the ID name? Product. Okay, keep this name. Now here so here how many field we have? We have product ID, quantity, batch, so purchase price, sales price. Okay, so this is nullable actually, so here I don't have to do anything. So now we will directly just save this data. So let's delete this portion. So it will be stock, not batch. Okay, and it will be stocks maybe. All right, so this will be save. So after save, we have to get all the batch in list, right? I mean stock. So for all stock, we'll write here stock. We'll pick all the stock. So before picking the all stock, so I want to check, is there any relationship between the product or any other field, right? Yes, there is a relationship with product and there is a relationship with batch. Okay, so it has a relationship. In that case, we can include this this product name, this one, and we can add this as well, include batch. So this product and batch include meaning is there is a relationship and under the product stock table with the product and batch, and product and batch tables object will come here and we can pick this object as well. So how we can pick? See, here is this field. So if we have this field, then we can put this field here, and we have a product ID, so we will put product ID. So after product ID, we added product. Okay, so we will pick the product name here. So h dot product dot name. So in that case, directly product name without any joining, we can pick the product name. So here is a quantity, so the quantity is directly quantity. Here is a batch, we can put batch. So now, like product, we will pick the batch name, right? Batch name. Okay, so batch done. Then now purchase price. So purchase price, it's a nullable, and we can pick this from the table directly. Okay, so and this is sales price. We can pick this sales price directly from table, so we can remove this. Now why we did this? Because if we do this, then there will not be shown any serialization problem. Otherwise, if we directly pass this object or list here, then it can show you a serialization problem and an error. So that's why always when we are doing this kind of joining, we have to do this work. Okay, so we will pass modified data. Okay, then everything done. So we can run the project. So now there is no menu called product stock, so we can add menu from layout page. Okay, so where is the layout page? This is the layout page. This is our layout page. User management, you can search user, yes. So we can write here the stock management, so we can provide okay, save batch. Here we did a mistake, called we named it as save batch. There is also a save batch. Okay, so I have to change this name, save product stock. Okay, so run project. So now see here, product stock management. So if I click stock management, then okay, previously I added few things here, actually only for testing, so I will revert it. So this is not your issue. I think if you download the project, then it will work fine. So here my batch, so product. So where is the product stock? This is my product stock. So if I go to product stock, home controller, product stock, then just put here product stock. Just reload the page. So in product stock, if I click, I'm coming to product stock, but before coming product stock, see here directly I can access product stock, but it should not be like other method. I have to come through authorization filter, okay, because if I am the authorized user, then I can access this view, otherwise it will redirect me to a error page. Okay, so now after login, if I go to product stock management, see what happened. You are not authorized because I'm not authorized actually. So what should I do to be authorized user for this? If you already see my category, product and batch entry video, so I have to map my role to this UI. Okay, actually I am admin, so I will put to be admin home product stock. So if I go, yes, now product stock is accessible for me because I belongs in admin role, so that's why I can I already provide access for this UI to admin role. Okay, so now I will add view here, so like category view. If I copy this category view here, category or product, I can take product view because there is a drop down list. So now I added view, so I will just remove all this view, all this Jquery code, because I will use here AngularJS code because I already installed AngularJS. So to using AngularJS, I have to use AngularJS controller. So if you see my AngularJS configuration video, then you will be clear, then you will start this video. So here my created AngularJS product stock ng controller, I will use product stock, just keep this inside the controller, then product stock controller, I will pick this here, this home product controller JS file. I will just refer this JS file here. So now if I reload this page, it should appear a alert message, then I can be sure that here AngularJS is working. So don't be afraid about AngularJS, because AngularJS is nothing. And if you know about JavaScript or Jquery, what I shown you, because actually if you see my this full playlist of point of sale and inventory, you don't have to bother about the jQuery and JavaScript, because I show you how how jQuery is working, and now I will show you how AngularJS is working. AngularJS and jQuery almost same. Okay, so this is not a very tough work when you are ready with jQuery. So be first be ready with jQuery, then you can start AngularJS. So to be ready with jQuery, you can see my this full playlist or any other of my video where I used jQuery. So here, see home product stock. See here a alert message is showing. So actually I intentionally shown this alert message. So that means here AngularJS is working. So I will do all the work inside the AngularJS. Okay. So see here, the first we will save product. Okay, so previously we used this jQuery code inside the view. So now I will use AngularJS, so that's why I will never use this view. So for this I have to create first, I have to work first using the work first to in my view. So here product, and this is actually maybe category, and this is status. So in product stock table there is a product, quantity, batch, purchase price, sales price. So product and batch is another table, and it will show as a drop down. Okay, so I will never write anything in this file. I will write in product stock controller. So here I will write a function like jQuery called get products. Okay, I'm writing the product. So I will do the code in AngularJS, but other Ajax and other calling things are same, right? So that's why I will just copy this Ajax method. I'll paste here. So here this all products, so this method will be same because we will get here all products. But see, in jQuery we worked with the DOM. Directly we have to access the TRTD, table column and table row, and we push the data inside the table column and table row. But the facility of this AngularJS, using this AngularJS, we don't have to bother about the DOM. Okay, so how it's worked, so I'm showing you now. So just delete this. Okay, so first, okay, before delete I just memorize what's the name and category, and status name is 1 0. Okay, so delete this. Right here scope and write product list. Okay, so equal, and you provide a square bracket. Now we will, okay, directly we can push it, no problem. So now this is a function. Okay, in AngularJS this product is a function, so we have to call this function when this page is loaded. So in that case we will just provide this function in init function. Okay, so when first time this page will load, this get product method will load, and the product list will be pushed in the product list variable. This is a scope variable, where what we called scope variable in AngularJS. So this scope variable is global scope variable in this page. in this product stock. So in this product stock controller is used rest of this full page, okay, here. So that means inside this div, any of place you can pick this product list, okay. So how we can pick, I'm just showing you. So like this is a product, okay. So I will show you the option ng. Here we have to write ng repeat. Ng repeat means this is actually the for loop for AngularJS, okay. So item in product list. So the product list, what we write here, we just accessing this scope variable, I mean list type scope variable, because already this list, I mean using this get all product method, the data what we are getting, this data will be posted into the product list. So now if we want to show this product name, then we have to show item dot name. So first we will see this, is it working or not, okay. So reload the page. So now see, it's not working. So in that case I will inspect what happened. I will see script inside the product stock, is it calling or not, okay. So now I will check, this is calling. So if I go to product, get all product, if I see here is 3 products. So see here 3 product is already set in product list, okay. So it's having problem in view, I think, because if we use normal view, like see here, it's not coming. But if I provide a model equal, like this is product ID, okay, product ID. So if I reload this page, okay, login again. So we can increase the login time. So I will show you in last of this series. So see here it's not coming. So if I click second time, it's coming. So actually there is some problem in view, I think. So even if we never provide this ng model, it should come, but here it's not working due to view for this template, I think. So see here it's normally showing here. So okay, so in Jquery there should write lot of code, but here it's less code. So this is a good way to program. So I will delete this get all product view from here, and now we will also we'll load product, and as per product and batch. Okay, so we will write another code, another method like this, and this method name will be get batch. Okay, so in batch we have a method called batch. We'll provide this batch and we'll named it batch list. Just we will copy this line, name, and we'll just put this batch name here and same name here, and we can provide this id name is batch id. Okay, so if we reload, see here batch id is coming or not. Okay, batch id is not coming because we never initiate it inside the load. Okay, so reload the page. It's coming, so it's coming, but my name is not right. I think here it's not, maybe name only. So if I see here, this is actually batch name. Okay, so we have to put batch name here. And one thing, another thing, for value we have to put value id. So value will be batch id. For this it will be item.batch, batch id. And for product, value will be, where is the product, all product, this will be product id. Okay, this product id and name batch name. Okay, if I reload now, so actually this value id mean when we will click this drop down, then this id will be saved inside the database. Okay, if we need to save the text, then we can provide here the name or text variable name. Okay, see here the batch names. Okay, 1, 11, 21, 31, this is the batch, and here this is the product. So for this first option should be select. Okay, see first item is select. Or we can even delete it, no problem, it's your wish. So here we have product, batch, and quantity, purchase price, sales price. First is quantity, product, batch, and then this will be what this will be a quantity. Okay, so one very important thing, so now provide the model name. I mean ng model mean for every text box or drop down or even any input box, we need to provide a model name, like product ID, batch ID. This is to product ID for product. What we select product, this product ID will be stored in model. Okay, so if we pick this model, then we will get this product ID value. So how it will work, I'm showing you. So here we need a quantity. So one very important thing what I was discussing with you, this is actually you go to product stock, copy this quantity. So always keep copy this name, and here you will name ng model, this name same. Okay, this name will be same because when we will pass a object, this object, I mean this name and the model name will be same. In that case, when it will take here, then it will be matched. So I'm just showing you, you can understand when I will work on it and when I am going to save it. So this is actually a quantity, means this is number, right? Number. Put this quantity, and here we will provide the purchase price, and we will provide placeholder purchase price. Also this is number. Also we will provide a sales price, also which will be the number. Sales price. Okay, so this form is complete. So if I reload and if I want to see how it looking, okay, so this is actually the product, and this is batch, and this is quantity, purchase price, sales price. So in that case, this all will be number. Okay, so if you want to write any character, it will not be acceptable here. So you can write anything as a number. Okay, so one very important thing is, so we will make a object name. Okay, so object will be product stock. Okay, and this will be new object. Okay, so this is a object. So under a object there can have lot of property, right? So I will just copy this. So under this, sorry, here should not be use any scope. So product stock dot product ID, that means product stock dot product ID, product stock dot batch ID. So is this batch ID and this batch ID is same? Yes. And product ID is same. Okay, and product stock dot quantity, product stock dot price, product stock dot sales price. Okay, then if we click on save product, so this will be ng click. So what you understand right now after watching this ng and everywhere is ng mean this is actually AngularJS term. So where in jQuery we write on click on, here we use the ng. It's a AngularJS term. So now save product. So actually we will never save product, we will save stock. Okay, so for saving anything, we previously jQuery we used this method, we will copy this method same. So for saving in here, see here previously we picked everything using id, right? But already we initiated a object, and in this object I delete this jQuery code first. See here, in a object we have put a lot of properties. Okay, so here it will be automatically work here, so we don't have to go there on it. We will use a scope product stock, and we will use this, and stock saving method. In our stock save, it's stock, so we will keep it stock, and the method name is product stock save product stock. This will be save product stock. So after this, our stock will be after saving this, stock will be reload. So to reloading the stock, actually we are using this method. Okay, so here all the jQuery code I can delete because this is not required, already we write everything. We need one more method here, so we will write it manually by typing, so don't worry. So here save product, this will be actually save product stock. Okay, so here see function name, function name, but when we will click on a button from view, so in that case it will never work here. So we have to write this way, scope dot here function. So now if we click from the view, then it will call. Okay, so see after reloading the page what happened. This is blank. So now select some category, product and batch, quantity like 4, purchase like 45, sales like 50. Okay, so if we click save failed. So see here it's showing save failed, but it's save actually. So it's showing save failed because we provided the information that if result equal true, but from background is there any result is coming, it's false is coming. So if we try to save again, so if we go forward true, if success is true, so that means this will be is success, not result. Result dot If success is true, so now if we select Samsung again, batch 1 2 3, now it's not saying anything. Oh yes, after okay, we just now we will try to save, see what is happening here. Yes, save success. That means this save is successing and saved successfully. So see here the product, quantity, batch, so everything is fine. Now this is not the end, so we have to load the data in stock list here, load all the stocks here. So now we need to, it's saving, so we need to load the saved product stock, right? So loading the saved product stock, so I will copy this method and will write get all product stock. So here we write a method called all product stock. Just put this method here, product stock list. So see here what I write, I just 30 seconds take, I just take 30 seconds to write this method. Okay, so I will just put here the method. And very nice thing is of this AngularJS, I will just copy this and I will come to here and inside the body I will write here. So here I will write ng repeat, what you know now. I will pick this name is item in product stock list. So here for every row I will show column, right? td so td is item dot, I will show here the product name first. So here, where is the product name? This is the product name. So this is the product name. Then I will show the batch name. So I will copy the batch name here, batch name. I will show product and batch done, like quantity, purchase price. I will show quantity directly, purchase price, and finally I will show the sales price here. So now this is product name and this is batch name, here quantity, and purchase price, and this is sales price, and another column or I keep for edit or any action. So I'll just reload this page. See, all the data will show here, and this is the very nice things of this AngularJS. Very easy way to access all the data. So it's not showing here, so if I go chart length, see here it is loading or not. This is in product stock list, all the stock is coming, but actually it's not showing in my page. So I will inspect why this is not showing here. So if we reload the page, see it's not coming the data, I mean not loading all the list here. So actually in this SB-admin 2, I think there is some limitations with AngularJS, and there is some mismatch of compatibility of AngularJS. So that's why it's happening some problems. So if we see here, if we click here, see now it's loading. So it has some incompatibility. If I click here, then it's loading. So it have maybe some problem with this UI. Anyways, so see here the stock list. So I will just write it stock list. So this is our stock. So we made this stock, but logically like Samsung, Dell Core i5 1507, this is a model, product model, and with this product model this batch is unique. Okay, so within this Dell 1507 Core i5 we can create batch lot of batches with this product name. Okay, but with this name, same name and same batch, this should not be duplicate. Okay, so but if we we added 3 product, I mean here is 2 product for Dell Core i5, but tomorrow or day after tomorrow we get another 2 product of Dell Core i5. So in that scenario we will just edit this, but we cannot create the same entries twice. Okay, at least this product or batch should be different. Okay, so in that case we have to write that the validations inside the method. So we will do it in next video. So till today this is for product stock, and we will in next video we will work on stock and validations and other topics what we have left yet. So thank you very much. Keep subscribe and keep watching.